This video will show you the small business fix you need to stop losing customers daily. Let's dive into the daily loss that's hurting your business. If you run a small business, people are slipping through the cracks every single day. And it's costing you money. This problem goes beyond just new leads. Not just new leads, people who already reached out, even past customers who would come back if you stayed in touch. You're helping a customer, filling an order, in the middle of something. Your phone rings, you miss it. That person doesn't wait. They just go somewhere else. Let's look at the cold, hard financial reality of these cracks. You send an estimate and never follow up. A past customer thinks about calling you again, but they don't hear from you, so they move on. That's real money, slipping through the cracks of your business every single day. Your competitors know this, and they are capitalizing on your inconsistency. Meanwhile, there are businesses in your area staying on top of all of it, responding instantly, following up automatically, checking in with past customers. Not because they're better than you, just because they're more consistent. So every day you keep running your business like this, you're falling further behind the people who already fixed it. The good news is, the solution is much simpler than you think. You don't need a bunch of tools. You don't need to learn anything complicated. You just need to set up this one piece first. Let me show you how fast and easy this setup can be. In about 10 minutes, you'll have something that understands your business, helps you respond faster, and keeps you on top of everything. And once it's set up, you can use it right from your phone, anywhere. It's time to take control of your business. Start with this one piece, and stop letting customers slip through the cracks. Click below to get access to the free first module and set it up step by step.